we are going to draw a unicorn. First, we are going to draw the ear. I also drew the inside. Next, we are going to draw the hair. Now, let's draw the head. Now, I'm going to draw the body. Now I'm going to draw the other part of the hair. Now let's draw the horn. Now I'm drawing the wings. Now I'm going to draw a crown. Check it out! I just made a crown, and the crown can be any shape you want. Do you want to draw some clouds? If you do, then let's do it. I'm gonna draw one cloud here. It looks like the unicorn standing, so I am going to draw her standing on top of a cloud. Let's draw some more clouds. Hey guys, do you want to draw a rainbow? That's magical. I love magical things. So we're going to draw the second cloud. Now, we're going to draw the rainbow. How fun is that? Now, I am going to draw the colors. They are going to be purple, blue, and pink. Now, Are you having fun so far? And you know something, friends? I love to give names to my characters in my pictures. What should we name this pretty unicorn? I know a name, Sunny Culver. I wrote the name right here. I also like to make my characters talk. And if you want to make your characters talk, you have to draw something called a speech bubble. So, what do I make her say? I know what to make her say. These clouds are so fluffy. Sometimes my speech bubbles are too small, but this unicorn is saying these clouds are so fluffy. I'm going to draw the cutie mark. I'm going to make a gem. Looks like my drawing is all done. What do you think, friends? And you can add any color you want. And remember, friends, there are no mistakes in drawings. Drawings are all about showing your personality. Hope you had fun today. I'll see you next time at Magical Adventures. And don't forget to hit the bell icon and please subscribe.